In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix loading error on Google Sheets. So if your Google Sheet is continuously loading, as you can see here, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To ensure smooth loading and opening of your app, you need to fix any glitches that might be associated with your Google Sheets. First, check and ensure that you have stable internet connection. As you can see, for my case, I have stable internet. For that, we need to troubleshoot the app by going to settings. And from settings, go to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Here, search for your app. Here, search for your app by name. Tap on it and now go to for stop app. Okay, and go to clear data and now clear cache. Okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted it, make sure if you are using any VPN, it is turned off, or uninstall the app, as this might be causing the problem. Now go back to your spreadsheet and open it. And now everything should be up and running without any issue. As you can see, mine now has opened. However, if yours still can't open or it still loads, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and just search for Sheets. Let me run. And you can see we have our Google Sheets here. As you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app, and this might be the reason you are experiencing this problem. To fix this, just update your app by tapping on update, and this will download the latest version of Google Sheets app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been installed, now proceed and open, and now everything should be working without any issue. However, if this does not work, then most likely the problem is with Google Sheets internal server. For that, you'll need to wait and try after some few minutes to see if the problem will be fixed. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.